Have you ever stood in a big airport and felt completely lost? You have your bag, you have your ticket, but the words just don't come. Today, we follow David, a real person, a nervous traveler. And by the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to say. David walks to the check-in desk. He feels nervous, but he takes a deep breath.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I am flying to Rome today.
Lovely. May I see your travel document, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one large bag.
Do you have a cabin bag with you?
Yes, this small backpack.
Perfect. Please place your bag on the scale.
Of course.
Window seat or aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I love watching the clouds.
Wonderful. Here is your boarding card. Gate 15.
Thank you so much. David looks around, confused. Excuse me, could you help me? Of course. What do you need? Where is the departures board? Right behind you. Just turn around. Oh, thank you. Is my flight on time? Yes, no delays today. Great. Where is gate 15? Go straight, then turn left. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Please remove your watch.
Of course.
And your jacket, too.
No problem.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, should I take it out?
Yes. Put it in a separate tray.
What about this water bottle?
You cannot take liquids through security.
Oh, I understand.
David sits near the gate. Excuse me, is this for Rome? Yes. Are you going to Rome too? Yes. Is the flight on time? Yes, it is on time. Is this your first time? Yes, I am very excited. You will love it. I cannot wait. Announcement. Boarding is now starting. Please show your boarding card. That's us. Agent. Welcome aboard. Thank you.
Welcome. What is your seat number?
24A.
Right this way.
May I put my bag here?
Yes, of course.
David sits down. Excuse me, could you move your coat?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Please switch off your phones.
Okay, here we go.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Ice,
No ice, please.
cookies, or crackers?
Cookies, please.
Would you like a blanket?
Yes, please. We will arrive in 30 minutes. I made the right choice.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Done.
Fill this arrival form.
What should I write for address?
Your hotel name is fine.
Thank you. May I borrow a pen?
Of course. The plane lands.
That was smooth. We're here.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here on holiday for 2 weeks.
Where will you stay?
At the Grand Hotel.
Anything to declare? No. Open your bag, please. Sure. Everything is fine. Welcome to Italy.
Thank you. Which carousel is for London flight?
Number 4.
Thank you. David waits. There it is. That's my bag.
Need help?
Yes, please.
Mr. David?
Welcome. I'm so happy to see you. How far is the hotel?
About 40 minutes.
Perfect.
First time in Rome?
Yes,
You will love it.
I already do.
And just like that, David made it. From a nervous traveler to a confident one. Here is today's life lesson. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is taking the first step, even when you feel afraid. David was nervous, but he spoke. He asked. He listened. And he arrived. Every English word you learn today brings you closer to your own journey. Keep going. You are doing amazing. Thank you for learning with Simple English Avenue. If this helped you, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.